It's time to do some wrenching. Okay, I got my angle grinder here. It's working intermittently, like, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'll give you an example here. I suspect it's the brushes, but I'll show you what I mean. See? Well, you can see how it works. It goes off and on, so you can't use it that way. You shake it, and sometimes it'll go off, sometimes it'll go on. They give you these when you buy this thing new. They give you extra ones, so I'm going to show you how to put these in. Okay, let's get at it. Okay, first off, I'm going to take this cutting wheel off. Okay, don't need that on there. Yeah, I believe we can get this off with just a screwdriver here. You should take the back end of this off here. Okay, and your brushes are right in here. Get one on each side. So, just take this off. And we'll Phillips screw here. And there it is. Okay, what you need is some precision screwdrivers. These are really some small ones. Let's see if this will work. You have to go in here and just get little tabs here you got to push on and pull on at the same time. One, let's see. Let me get this one. There. And there it goes. It comes right out. Yeah, it looks kind of rough shape here. Okay, there's one. But put it in. Give this a little squeeze. Get it in there, and it'll just should just lock in there. It helps, I think, to get some reading glasses to do this. Let me give it a reading glass. This is very fine work, and my eyes are pretty bad. My reading glasses. It sucks getting old. 20 years ago, I could have done this. This thing could have been across the street. And I gave some instructions on how to put this back together again. Okay, we got that there. Now you can see there's little things here where it's little slits of holes there, and what you do is got some little extended pieces here so it fits right inside of them and it locks in position. You gotta make sure they're not bent either. It's still a little bent. I bent it somehow. Let's force it. You can't force these things. I was trying to force it and my mistake. There. Yeah, you can feel it. Click in there, it locks right in. Okay. Very good. Alright. It's one side. Put this back in like this. Screw in. Same with this side. Take these little tabs, push them in, pull on this, and there. Yeah, the springs look kind of worn. They don't look springy anymore. So, and these are a little. I don't know if you can see them, but they're a little rounded off. Maybe that's why. Well, we'll find out with these new ones. Okay. So, you gotta turn this just so you can see it here. I hope you can see this on the camera, because this little thing has got to fit right in this slot when you push it in. I start doing one side and I get this other one and turn it with this. There. Okay. Snap right in. See? That's it. Same thing. Put this back in. Pretty easy. This ain't too hard. It's just delicate work. If you got good eyes and small fingers. Okay, now put this back up here. Okay. Snap that in. Put the screw in here. Okay, leave it off, plug it in. Okay, let's see if she works. Okay, that did it. This is all it was with just these little things. Easy fix. I mean, 3 years. It's a good thing they give you these anyways. But they lasted me 3 years. So it'll last another 3 years, for a $10 tool. I think it's pretty good. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Take care.